When I see a bowl of fruits like this, I instantly think summer. It's just light, refreshing, and it's just perfect for a warm day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to put together this easy and delicious fruit salad. You just can't mess it up. The first thing I'm going to make is the dressing, and for that you're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey, and the juice from 1 lime, and that's about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. If you want to, you can zest a little bit of the lime and put it in there. Mix that together, then set it aside. To my big bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of green grapes that I cut in half, 2 cups of cantaloupe, 2 cups of sliced strawberries, 2 cups of blueberries, and 2 kiwis. Add the dressing to that and mix everything together. Now you can add any fruits you like, that's up to you, but if you're adding something like banana, I would say add it right before you serve it to prevent browning. Look at that, look at the vibrant combination of fruits, and you just can't go wrong because it's also healthy and delicious. I know this is not rocket science, but sometimes when you see a bowl of fruits like this, you're more likely to eat it. Before you serve this, you'll want to chill it at least an hour, but it's best if you serve it the same day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.